Alright guys, I'm going to be mounting my Leupold Deltapoint Pro onto the Leupold 45-degree mount, canted mount. So, if you notice, the Deltapoint has 4 recessed holes in it, or depressions, and then 2 through holes. We've got 2 pegs or bosses that are angled offset from each other, and then 4 slotted holes. This actually you can mount either on the right side like I have it or the left side and be able to use either of those 2 sets of holes with the holes that are in your Deltapoint. So those bosses are going to fit right into the holes, kind of letting it locate, and then with the provided screws that have Loctite on them, I'm just going to slot it in. And then again, with the provided wrench, tighten it down. Now because it's got Loctite on it, it's going to feel, if you've never screwed a screw in that has Loctite on it already, it's going to feel like it's almost cross-threading, but don't worry. I mean, if it is cross-threading, you'll know because you will be struggling to get it in. So this feels just right. Alright, so I'm just about there. Okay, so that's roughly finger tight. Now I'm going to tighten it down the rest of the way. Again, you want to make sure that you're getting it tight enough that it's not going to move around on you. It doesn't do you any good to zero a sight if it's not mounted properly and moves around on you. Okay, that feels pretty good. Alright, so that was mounting the Leupold Deltapoint to the 45 angled mount. Alright, have a good one.